Imagine you are a DAO making $1 million decision. 5 AI agents analyze your proposal. 3 say approve, 2 say reject. Which ones do you trust? Can you verify their reasoning? Can you prove their decision anytime in the future? Today, you can't. With Verify on Chain, you can. I'm very happy to present Verify on Chain, the world's first multi agent AI orchestration platform with Byzantine consensus and blockchain provenance. Built using the Origin Trails DKG node, it's based on a plugin which allows it to have multi agent orchestration platform. With our agents running live and completing the task along with the activity log publishing to DKG, their whole knowledge consensus. So let's start with why we've built this. So currently we are facing an AI trust crisis where the current AI systems are just black boxes. You can't verify how they reach a decision. They have single points of failure. One compromised model can make catastrophic mistakes and there's zero accountability. When things go wrong, there's no audit trail to investigate. This matters in healthcare, financial services, autonomous systems, and legal proceedings. The AI decisions affect billions of people daily and but we can't trust them and we can't verify them and so we can't prove them. So, what's the market opportunity here? The AI market is $190 billion today and growing to $826 by 2030. That's a 28% annual growth. But here's the problem only 35% of the people trust AI systems. 68% of enterprises are concerned about AI transparency, and companies lose $180 billion annually due to AI errors and lack of accountability. There's a massive trust gap in the rapidly growing market, which Verify on Chain aims to solve. So, we combine three breakthrough technologies. First, the multi-agent AI orchestration. So instead of one AI making decision, we use 5 specialized agents or more, like researcher, analyzer, verifier, synthesizer, coordinators, working together with different perspectives. The second is Byzantine fault tolerance. So this is a consensus algorithm from distributed systems that guarantees trust. Even if 33% of agents are malicious or compromised, we require 67% agreement before any decision is accepted. The third is the blockchain based provenance. So every decision is published to Origin Trail's decentralized knowledge graph on the NeuroWeb blockchain. This creates an immutable audit trail with cryptographic proof. The result, we have trustworthy AI with mathematical guarantees, complete transparency, and legal grade proof. Let me show you how all of this exactly works. So, we have a user, which could be a DAO, which could be a single user, an enterprise, or an AI agent, which submits a decision task through our API. The system analyzes the task complexity and spawns the appropriate specialized agents. Then we have a multi-agent coordination system, which collaborate in real time via WebSockets. They research, analyze, verify, synthesize, and coordinate. Each agent votes on the proposed decision using Byzantine consensus. We need 67% agreement, and the block. After that, the step three happens is once a consensus is reached, we publish the complete decision provenance to Origin Trails DKG. This includes agent votes, reasoning, evidence, confidence scores, and you get a universal asset locator, a UAL. That's your cryptographic proof. Here it is, all of it in real-time action, where you can see how the different process and steps work across our verify on chain, where real-time coordination is happening between these agents. So this is live. I've been running this on server and front end, and as you can see that the task has been completed by the agents, and once they reach a consensus they will do a DKG publication. Now let me show you our architecture of how this is built. So we have built a production grade technologies where we have a front end in Next.js with DKG publishing notification, and then we have backend with Express and WebSocket servers. Blockchain, we use Origin Trace DKG on NeuroWeb. Testnet with Polkadot substrate. And for database, we are utilizing MySQL. So what happens is of course we are using BFT, and the blockchain provenance layer is used as Origin Trails DKG integration. And as you can see that if you go into plugins, you'll find this where we have a source, and inside that we have agents, and in agents you will find all the different agents that we have built for this hackathon. Then we have database for the SQL part, and then for the provenance we have a decision making DAG, which tracks the decision lineage and the relationship between different knowledge. And then we have trust score management, which is a calculator which manages a calculation and agent reputation with trust scores. This is the whole integration part on how we are built. We are live on NeuroWeb testnet, and So what makes us different? So five reasons. We are the first to combine multi-agent AI with Byzantine consensus. No one else does that currently. And second is every decision is published to blockchain with cryptographic proof. Complete transparency. Third, we have decentralized, no single point of control or failure. Fourth, real-time coordination via WebSockets. Agents collaborate instantly, not through slow polling. And then we have legal grade evidence. Our blockchain provenance is admissible in court proceedings under the Roberts standard. We are not just another AI tool, we are a trust infrastructure for the AI economy. Now, this is the real production data that our agents respond, and this is the Byzantine result they published, and this is like the blockchain publication that they did on EuroWeb and you can see the transaction by just copying this on the decision ID. So that's how we have built, and the real world include DAOs, supply chain verification, financial audit and compliance, healthcare decision support. So with AI medical diagnosis, which lacks second opinions, we can build a DKG type graph and solve this very easily with Verify on chain. Then we have content moderation at scale and smart contract automation. And the revenue stream that we would be generating are first the SaaS platform subscription, so $99 to per month based on task volume and agent count. Pay per use API, so we are looking to use X402 for the API for agents, and then enterprise licensing and the agent market commissions where developers can build specialized agents. We take 20% of the transaction fees. So this would be the path to adoption where we will launch at Origin Trail Hackathon and target DAOs and DKG developers first, build initial traction, and then we will gradually expand it to other Web3. So this is where we hope to position ourselves among our competitors, where we have all of these features and our competitors either have it partial or they don't have. This is how our 12-month roadmap looks like with MVP currently built up. In Q2, we would like to publicly do a beta launch and subsequently move forward. Thank you so much for watching Verify on Chain.